Hi, this is Rahul. I hope you are doing well. In this lecture, I am going to cover generating functions. We'll see what is generating function and why do we use generating function. So here we go. Suppose if you have a sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the terms of a sequence which are given to us, and our aim is to make a generating function of this sequence. So, if you are able to make generating function, then after you have several algebraic operations like plus, minus, or division can be performed between the generating functions. Directly, you cannot perform these algebraic operations, among sequences. So generating functions allows you to do the same. Like, so here we make, how do we make generating functions? Suppose you have a sequence, and we do store these sequence in the coefficients of power of x. So I have written all the terms of your sequence given to us, right? So we start from power of x with 0, and then 1, then 2, and do multiply with each term, in sequence for, all the numbers you can see of power of x. These are in sequence. So we do plus, and this is the summations we do by using. So what is happening here? So x5, corresponding to x5, there would be only one term, so this term cannot be added with another term of this one, only another term of this sequence. So that is reasons. So this coefficient, this power of x, makes this number uniquely and represent uniquely. And so let's unwrap this whole expressions. What we get: 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x. This is what we got expression, and this is what we call what generating functions. I can write this one is equal to gx, and this is nothing, it is a generating function. So in short, we can write an x power n, and we start from 0 to infinite. So a0 is what? 1, a1 is 1, a3 is 3. If numbers of sequence are a0, a1, then definitely you will end up with these expressions, and this is basically the one, this generating functions with this coefficient represent these numbers. I hope this is good. Now we are going to learn why do we use generating functions. As what we have done here, we had sequence, we converted into expressions, and then here this is our objective, to do all these things, to apply what algebraic manipulations like plus, minus, and division on gx. So gx is what generating function we had. Then we get back what? Any sequence. So if you apply any algebraic manipulations, you may or may not get same sequence what you had in input. So now we'll move forward and see what the definition of algebraic function is. Algebraic function, generating function is a sequence. So definitely it is a sequence only, and written as coefficient of powers of s. So sequence I have written, you can see coefficient, these are this is what we had sequence. I have written in coefficient of power of x. So I hope you got some clue why do we use generating function, what purposes we learn generating functions, and what generating function is. If this lectures clears your doubt, and even if you have doubt, you can you can ask me in comment sections. I will definitely answer you. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel these lectures helpful for you, please like and share with your friends.